Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best braider essentials for young fashion lovers, the automatic hair braiding machine by kidzkube. This innovative toy is a game changer for kids who love styling their hair or their friends' hair, combining fun with creativity in a way that's both simple and educational. This automatic hair braiding machine is designed especially for girls aged 5 to 12, making it perfect for beginners and budding hairstylists alike. The machine comes with two interchangeable heads, allowing for both 2-strand and 3-strand twists. This means kids can easily experiment with different braiding styles and create unique looks every time. The automatic feature makes braiding quicker and more enjoyable, turning what can sometimes be a tricky task into an effortless process. Included in the set are colorful beads, rubber bands, hair clips, and even a wig, providing endless opportunities to customize and accessorize each hairstyle. The vibrant beads and clips encourage creativity, letting kids design hairstyles that are as playful and unique as they are. Beyond just being a toy, it also helps improve hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills, making it a great interactive learning tool disguised as fun. The design is safe and durable, crafted from child-friendly, non-toxic materials. It works well on all hair types, whether straight, curly, long, or short, making it versatile and accessible. Plus, the compact size and included storage box keep everything organized and easy to carry around for playdates or family gatherings. This hair braiding machine isn't just a fun toy, it's also an excellent gift idea for birthdays, Christmas, or any special occasion. It's perfect for encouraging imaginative play and helping kids develop new skills while having a blast styling hair. Whether your child wants to experiment with their own hair or use it on dolls and friends, this set provides all the tools needed for creative hairstyling. To get started, simply insert the batteries, choose your braiding head, section the hair, and let the machine do the twisting and braiding. The easy-to-follow process means kids can enjoy success without frustration, boosting their confidence in styling and design. In summary, the automatic hair braiding machine by kidzkube is more than just a toy. It's a complete hair salon experience that's safe, fun, and educational. If you're looking for a gift that sparks creativity and provides hours of imaginative play, this is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews of the best products out there. See you next time.